When I was about to run the Adobe After Effects installation complete, this message suddenly appeared. Now I will try to solve the Adobe After Effects problem. When I open the Adobe After Effects program again, run the Adobe After Effects installation complete, this message suddenly appeared. After Effects error, crash in progress. Last logged was 11576. Press OK. The alert message that appears when you press OK is before quitting, you have one chance to save your project. Don't. Use the same name as the original. Then, when I save with the save file name, the Adobe After Effects program is hidden or closed. When I open the Adobe After Effects program again, the same message appears and finally it closes. Now I will try to solve the Adobe After Effects problem. First, I will try to open the file that I saved on the desktop with the resave name of Adobe After Effects. And see what happens. It seems to have worked. Adobe After Effects does not show any message this time. Now let's see if everything works or not. Everything is working properly.